Right, before I start talking about these cables, I want to tell you why I bought these cables. And yes, I did buy them myself. I didn't ask anyone to send them to me. I just bought them because I wanted them. I've done some research on which cables I wanted on Amazon. Links in video description. And I chose these ones. They have very good reviews on them. They're only 1 meter long cables. I didn't need anything longer than that. And the reason I bought them is because every now and again, my dual monitors kept flickering, so I thought I need to find out why that's doing it. And I've done some research, and apparently there's a few things that can cause it. One being cheap old cables, so I bought dear ones or good quality ones. Two, it could be the length of the cable. They're not too long, so I ruled that one out straight away. And the cables that came with the DisplayPort or the KVM connection, they are quite short, and I thought, well, they might not be as good a quality as what they could be. And the other one is that if you're using a converter to convert from DisplayPort to HDMI or vice versa, that can also cause it. And one monitor is a HDMI only, and the other one is DisplayPort, but they're both flickering. So I thought, I'll order these ones. Found these, lovely reviews on it, 5,515 reviews on it at the moment, and yeah, there is a few negative but not many, and I thought I'm going for these. And also these are VESA, what's it called, VESA certified. These are 8K, or they can do up to 8K. They are FreeSync, G-Sync. They've been tested to a VESA standard, so they should be perfect. They should just work, not cause me any issues. And since I bought them, I've had no issue with the monitors flickering. Typical, isn't it? But I'm going to change them anyway, so I just thought I'll do a little video showing you how to change them, or that I'm going to change them. So with that, let's get out the package. So these come in 4 different sizes from this seller. 1 meter, which is what I got. I only need short ones, I don't need long ones. 2 meters, 3 meters, and 5. But I only need 1. So these are the little babies. So they're gold plated. They've got little grips on them, so you need to press that in when you want to take them out, which should be better because it holds them into the monitor or into the KVM switch. And they've got Velcro around them, just to make them nice and tidy. So like I said, I'm going to be using these rather than the ones that come with the KVM switch, because, well, they can do 8K for a start, so they should just work. That Velcro is quite good. Might keep that. Yeah, I think I will keep it actually. So like I said, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check them out, or buy them. They are affiliated links. They are very nice, aren't they? Very good quality, or it feels like very good quality. Really thick cable, by the way, really thick. And someone did say one of the complaints was this bit is quite bulky, but I don't think it's going to cause me any problems. I've checked, and these will go in my KVM switch, no issues with whatsoever, and also in the back of my monitors. One being a HDMI only, I will have a converter. Don't forget, there's 3 things that can cause display flicker. 1 is cable length being too long. 2 is poor quality cables. And 3, if you're going from a DisplayPort to HDMI or vice versa using an adapter, that can also cause it. But it was doing it on both monitors, so I thought I'm going to rule that one out. So with that, I do like them. They look very nice actually. 8K. Just need a monitor that can do 8K. Or in a PC. So with that, I'm going to strip out the cables and fit them in. Right, the video you just watched was probably about 2 to 3 months ago, because I wanted to make sure I've cured the issue, which was the flickering of the monitors. And yeah, I've had no issues with them whatsoever since I changed them over. I know I said, you know, it stopped doing it, you know, before I changed them over, but I knew it was going to come back sooner or later. So anyway, I changed them over. It's probably about 2.5 months ago now that I actually done that, and yeah, it's been fine. It's definitely resolved the issue. So if you're looking for, you know, a problem like I've got, and you're looking for a way of resolving it, that could be the answer, because it worked for me. It's definitely not the KVM switch, although I'm thinking about plugging in another 2 computers into it sometime. I think I've got another one, or actually I've got another 2. One is HDMI only, which is not going to be ideal, and the other one, I think that's HDMI as well. Yes, I might not be able to use them 2, but I will keep a lookout for a couple more computers. I might even build another one. If you're interested in that, let me know in the comments whether you'd like to see me build another PC, because I like building PCs. Yeah, it's definitely cured the issue. I've got no issues with the cabling whatsoever. It was easy to do. Basically unplug the other ones and plug them in. I just had to do a bit of cable management, especially running it around the back, that running into there, that running into there, and then you've got the problem with my desk going up and down, like so. You know, you've got to make sure there's enough flexibility for the cables not to snag on anything, and yeah, voila, works perfectly, does everything I want it to do, and I've solved the issue. Yeah, job done. So with that, if you have any comments, please post them below, and if there's a question there, I will always try and answer them if I can. And you know, if you do like this video, let me know in the comments, because I need to know what you like watching on my videos. Some people just like watching me doing unboxing, and some people want, you know, want more tutorials and things like that. I need to know from people like yourself, whoever's watching this video, if you have any comments or any suggestions, and don't tell me to bugger off. Let me know in the comments, and I will try and answer them, or try and make better videos if you like. And if you like this video, consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you any money whatsoever, and it does help my channel to keep on growing. The more subscribers I got or have, and the more views I get, you know, the better product I will get to do reviews for you. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. It works. It does what it's supposed to do. 8K. Anyone out there got an 8K TV? If you have, send it to me, and I'll do a review, and I'll do a review on it.